Manang, Manang Lenny, kadkadwa dagiti umili. Kasi
Liberal Party Vice Presidential candidate Leni Robredo brings her campaign up north and into the bailiwick of one of her rivals, Ilocos Norte and Ilocos Sur. She positions herself as an alternative candidate to former Ilocos Norte Governor, Representative, and current Senator Ferdinand Marcos Jr. It's an interesting choice for Robredo, who has taken a firm stance against martial law, the years when Senator Marcos's father reigned. At a school forum, she's asked, "Why are you proud to be anti-Marcos?"
Bakit po kayo proud na as the only candidate na anti-Marcos sa social media at sa mga statements ninyo?
Proud ako na ako lang yung candidate na nanindigan lamang sa martial law. It's nothing personal to the Marcoses. Yung sa akin, panahon na para mag-move on. Pero kahit sa relationships, din yung mga kabataan, hindi din kayo makaka-move on kung meron pa kayo maraming bagay na unsettled in the past. Kaya yung sa akin, I feel very strongly against martial law. Ang wini-wish ko lang sana, merong acceptance ng kamalian in the past, merong recognition na may maling nangyari, para hindi na ulit maulit.
In Lawag, Candon, and Vigan, Robredo taps into groups she's most comfortable with, the religious and women. She talks about women empowerment and provincial development, cornerstones of her campaign. Robredo also meets with local politicians but says she is realistic with how well she'll fare in Marcos' country. Ilocos Sur and Norte aren't vote-rich provinces, but Marcos' reach is said to go beyond Ilocos and into nearby areas, the so-called Solid North.
Tayo kasi yung expectation natin talagang yung mas sympathetic kay Senator Bongbong. Pero yung sa akin, wala naman kasing mawawala. Walang mawawala na ipakilala yung sarili, ipakita kung saan tayo tumatayo sa mga issue. Hindi pwedeng sinusugarcoat yung mga paniniwala. Kasi pag sinugarcoat natin, hindi na tayo nun.
The LP bet says she hopes to make at least a dent in the area.
That's what I was about to say. Not because I am from Ilocos Norte na parang I'm gonna vote for Marcos. I'm still in the process of getting to know all these candidates.
when Manong, when Manang, Manang Lenny.
A strong anti-martial law stand in a region where a Marcos presidency made it shine. Leni Robredo is unapologetic about being on the different side of the spectrum to Marcos, but hopes voters here will still like what they see. Bea Cupin, Rappler, Ilocos Sur.